fun. I know how to cure hiccups. It works. Like, it fucking works. So, the first thing you do is you have to get a cup of water. And paper. And then you cover the glass with the paper. Like this. So what you're gonna do is you're going to drink out of the paper with trying to get as least of the paper wet as possible. The only time this doesn't work is if it's because of eating spicy food. But even like right now, that's why I got hiccups and it still worked. Yep. No hiccups. So I learned this my sophomore year. My ex-girlfriend taught me, and when she first told me, I felt like that's so fucking stupid.
Like literally like drinking water to a napkin.
Next time I had hiccups, I tried it. It worked, and I was like,
Like what the fuck?
I tried it the second time, and the third time, and fourth, and fifth, and sixth, and I think I've had hiccups like maybe 30 times. Okay, maybe more like 20. I've had hiccups like 20 times since, and every single time. Sometimes I get hiccups and I do it like immediately and I get rid of it. And sometimes I have hiccups for like 5-10 minutes. And after I get tired of it, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do it. And then 30 seconds later, it's gone. Now you know.